Alright, time to get this tensioner apart. So it's got this larger screw that I just dropped, and that larger screw is what retains or stops this piece from spinning, and the smaller screw held the stem, and when I remove that, the rest of this is going to come out. There. So there's that collar, and then the bracket that lives in the machine, and here's our main tensioner, and it does not have a stop on it, so you can just unscrew it until the knob comes off, and then this collar, which has a notch for this indicator window, the spring, and then it's got this release washer that allows you to rotate the cup here with the indicator on it, and a pair of very dirty tension discs, and our back piece here. So we're going to scrub all that and then get our tension release pin out the center of the stem. There's the stem, and this spring is bent, so I'm going to carefully wind this spring back up so that I don't have to replace it. So you can see this curve from where it was stretched. I'm just going to bend it in. It's cicada season, so we get to listen to those while we work. But I did find I have a Singer 15 faceplate from a Junk 15, and this Montgomery Ward faceplate is a copy, right down to the screws that hold the tensioner in place. So I did check that out, and aside from making the tension dial look a little different, this is a dead copy. So we need to assemble this tensioner now. So first things, we gotta get our take-up spring hook tail in the slot on the side of the stem here, and gonna drop our stop collar in too, and with the stem and the stop collar in place, we'll put this long screw in, because this is the one that holds the stem into the body. And then with the stem seated, and that screw holding the stem in place, we can put this clamping screw for the collar in place. And these, there we go. I'm just gonna put this screw kind of in the middle. Alright, I'm gonna get this screw in because it keeps cross-threading. Alright, I got the side screw in this collar. I set it in the middle of its travel, and we've got our spring in there, and then this hook plate goes in, and then the 2 dish tension discs. And now we need to drop our tension release pin down the middle, which I don't know why that's not dropping. I got it slightly turned. There we go. Get our pin out, and it's got flats, so we need to drop it in with the flats rotated so it'll drop all the way in. And there I got the flats lined up to go into the T shape here. And then we've got our release washer, and that washer allows you to rotate this collar that has the tension scale window on it. And so I'm gonna rotate it so when it's sitting on the machine, that scale is kind of up and forward. Then with the scale in place, you can put your beehive spring in, and then the cover here has a line and the tab, and that needs to go in with the tab fitting through the window on the side of the tensioner. And then our final piece is the nut. And there's no stopper on this, just the nut, which is marked 1 through 5. And as you tighten it, it pushes the scale down inside the cup. So that tensioner is now reassembled. Got our pin out the back, and this faceplate is ready to go back on our machine.